So I've had a number of people inquiring about the fuse box here. We swapped out all the fuse links, so as you can see, that's not there anymore. So it's the GEP brand fuse box. I have to look up here. Let's see here. CE, yeah, CE Auto Electric Supply. They are freaking awesome. Big shout out to them. This box is relatively cheap. Most all the parts that we got, electronics wise, we got from them, relays and things like that. Awesome to deal with, really nice people. If you have questions on wiring, things like that, they'll help you out. So it's a sealed box. Being that we're doing micro squirt, we might as well simplify things. So we figured out, I can't remember anymore what it was off the top of my head, what the factory fuse link values are, but it's out there. So we've adjusted a little bit. So the dash, ignition, headlights, windows, and power seats, if you have them, are all the four factory devices. And these tie right into the factory loom down here and go into the inside of the car. I do believe, I think the dash one goes to that we labeled, I believe that goes to the actual dash fuse box underneath in the fender well or kick panel. So then we also added the 20 amp fuel pump there and a 30 amp for the fans, which are tied in to the fuel pump relay and the fan relay right there, so it's all good to go. The nice part about this, when we got it from them, come with this nice lead kit all ready to go. It's got the ends for the fuse panel already on them. You just have to snap them in place and you're finished. Fantastic design, really helpful, really easy. Makes life easy. Very nice unit. So CE Electric, awesome products, love them.